In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to connect iPad to Vizio TV. Now, let's get the video started. The best and simplest method is using Airplay because your most newer Vizio smart TVs, or for that matter, most of the latest TVs, support Airplay natively. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure your iPad and Vizio TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If they're on different networks, the option just won't show up. So now on your iPad, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center, like so. And then you want to tap on screen mirroring, and after a few seconds, your Vizio TV should appear in the list. Now tap the TV and within a moment your iPad screen will show up wirelessly on the Vizio TV. Whatever you do on the iPad, like apps, videos, or photos, appear on the TV in real time. If the TV doesn't show up, grab the Vizio remote, go into the TV settings, and make sure Airplay is turned on because sometimes it's disabled by default. So I'll show you how that looks like. On your TV settings, you want to head to extras, the extras option, and then you want to go ahead to Airplay and make sure that is enabled. This is not from settings, so from settings you have to go to, you'll just see Airplay just like that from there. Now once that's enabled, you'll be good to go. Now, on the other hand, if your Vizio TV doesn't support Airplay, the second option is to use an HDMI cable, and for that you will need a Lightning to HDMI adapter, like so, and otherwise, if not this, you'll need an SBC to HDMI adapter depending on your iPad model. Plug the adapter into the iPad, connect the HDMI cable or to the TV, and then switch the TV to the correct HDMI input depending on whatever HDMI port you plugged it into in the TV, because TVs these days do have multiple HDMI ports. And then your screen will show instantly, no Wi-Fi required. Now there are also third-party mirroring apps out there, but most free versions come with time limits or watermarks, so Airplay or HDMI are still the cleanest options. And anyways, once it's connected, you're good to go, streaming, presentations, or just showing your iPad on a bigger screen, all of that. Anyways guys, that'll be for this video. I hope it helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.